Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, artificial intelligence, crypto and cyberspace. This is a silent war which is shaping our digital future. We will have a deep exploration into the convergence of artificial intelligence, cryptography and cyberspace. Three forces redefining security, trust and power in our interconnected world. So let's start. Today, cyberspace is not just where we browse social media. It's where governments operate, factories run, salaries get credited, and identities exist. Artificial intelligence and crypto are not future technologies anymore. They are already shaping how security, trust, and power work in digital world. This session is about understanding how these three AI, crypto, and cyberspace are colliding and why ignoring this convergence is no longer an option for students or professionals. Let's understand the cyberspace. When we say cyberspace, we don't just mean the internet. Cyberspace includes network, cloud platforms, enterprise systems, industrial systems, users, and attackers, all interacting at the same time. It's noisy, fast, and unpredictable. And one important thing to remember is this: cyberspace is hostile by default. Security is not something you add later, it's something you design for survival. What crypto really means. Most people hear the word crypto and immediately think of Bitcoin or trading. But crypto is much bigger than that. At its core, crypto is about trust through mathematics. Instead of trusting a bank or a company, you trust cryptography. You trust digital signatures. You trust verification. Blockchains, encryption, and smart contracts are tools to reduce blind trust and replace it with provable trust. Let's understand crypto's strengths and limitations. Crypto is extremely powerful at what it does. It gives us tamper resistant records, transparent verification, and decentralized trust. But crypto has a limitation. It doesn't think. It doesn't understand context. It doesn't know intent. A smart contract will execute exactly what it's coded to do, even if it's being exploited. That's why crypto alone cannot defend modern cyber threats. Now let's have a look to the role of artificial intelligence. This is where artificial intelligence enters. AI acts like the brain of cyberspace. It can analyze millions of events in real time. It can spot patterns humans simply cannot. It can learn what normal look like and detect when something feels wrong. AI shifts cybersecurity from reactive to predictive, from responding after damage to detecting risk before impact. Now let's understand how AI or artificial intelligence protects crypto. Crypto ecosystem are always under constant attack. Smart contract exploits, wallet drainers, phishing, fraud that happens in seconds. AI helps by analyzing behavior, not just rules. Instead of asking, is this transaction allowed? AI asks, does this transaction make sense? This ability to detect abnormal intent is what makes AI essential for crypto security today. Now, let's understand how crypto protects AI. Because AI itself has a problem, and the problem is called trust problem. AI hallucinates. So, how to trust AI? Because models of AI can be tampered with, training data can be poisoned, decisions can be quietly altered. This is where blockchain plays a critical role. Blockchain can prove that an AI model hasn't been changed. It can log AI decisions immutably. It can verify data integrity. In simple words, AI thinks, blockchain remembers. Now let's see the darker side of AI as an attacker. So here is the uncomfortable truth. AI is not only used by defenders, attackers also use AI. They generate adaptive malware, they craft phishing messages tailored to individuals, they create deep fakes that destroy digital trust. They scan system for weakness at machine speed. Cybersecurity today is no longer human versus hacker. It's AI versus AI. The convergence point of digital identity. Let's understand this brings us to the most important convergence point, digital identity. Crypto enables decentralized identity where you own your own credentials. AI analyzes behavioral identity, how you type, transact, and interact. Cyberspace enforces identity across systems. Together, they enable zero trust security and passwordless authentication. Identity is becoming the new perimeter. Let's understand a mental model to remember. To simplify everything that we discussed, remember this mental model. Cyberspace is the battlefield, crypto is the armor and the ledger, and AI is the strategist. Sometimes defending, sometimes attacking, always learning. This model helps you understand almost every modern cyber discussion. Now, let's understand the impact of AI and crypto and cyberspace on our careers and skills. For students, this convergence defines what skill will matter next: AI driven security, blockchain security, identity, and zero trust concepts. For professionals, it defines where relevance is moving. Traditional security alone is no longer enough. Understanding how these domains interact is becoming a career differentiator. Now, also let's discuss the human factor. Yeah, humans are going to stay a bit longer, I think, because we have created these technologies, and right now, after 20 years, we don't know or we can't even imagine that what will come. No one has imagined that something like AI will come 20 years back or 30 years back and this powerful. So, there is a powerful irony here. The more we automate trust using AI and crypto, the more valuable human judgment becomes. Machine analyze, math verifies, but humans still decide what should be trusted. Technology can reduce risk, but it cannot replace responsibility. AI, crypto, and cyberspace are not trends. They are foundational forces shaping the digital future. Understanding their convergence is no longer optional, it's essential. This is not just about security, it's about how trust itself is being redesigned. Thank you so much for watching this video.